Good morning everybody, it's the 18th of December today and oh my goodness is it cold. It's so cold we had a bit of condensation on the windows last night and I'll show you. You can see it very clearly just here and it's frozen. A very fine layer. See, snow's indoors at CycleRecycle. So it's really cold today, as you can see from this car. Otherwise it's a beautiful day. It was 25 degrees hotter. So I got a busy day today. I didn't get much processed yesterday because it was all social media and catching up on stuff. So today, first job is going to be repairing this little Apollo Force. Needs its brakes sorted out, and then I'm going to process a couple of bikes. I have got a little bit of social media to do. Do that every day, but hopefully I've got a bit of a free run at it today. Right, so let's get the kettle on, let's get some work done, and then that reminds me actually, we've our one take bicycle tours go live on Sunday night at 7 o'clock. I uploaded the video yesterday. I think you'll enjoy it. I hope you do. But yeah, that's going live on Sunday. So today I've got my usual task to do. I've got a bike to list, and also I want to get some of these bikes out the back processed so I can get on top of things again. It's amazing how quickly things just slip really subtly and gently out of control. Right then, let's get into this. Okay, so the first job of the day is this Apollo Force that I think just really needs a good check over. Adjust the brakes up, just repair things so that they're not just a little bit more reliable for the little boy. So I'll set the camera up and we'll get into it. So the Apollo Force is done, so I've sorted out the front brake. This was damaged, this little nodule here. Set the brakes up, done the same with the back, set the brakes up, lubricated, tightened the headset and checked the bottom bracket. I've also done a couple of little adjustments on the spokes to sort of true this wheel up a bit because it was a little bit out, but now it's spinning freely. Yeah, customer should be really happy. Now just to get on with the paperwork. It's so cold today. So my next job is to dismantle this GT Legacy that we had part exchanged. I've got the heater above it because the metal is so cold to touch, just to try and take the edge off because I'm scared my fingers are going to stick to it. Cool, right, let's get into it. done, and we've got a nice little haul of parts. A full set of brakes. We've got chain set. We've got a massive seat post, saddle, front derailleur, loads of cable outers, and a pair of pedals, and various nuts and bolts and bits and pieces like that. So that was actually a very productive haul. Right, I'm going for lunch. I'll see you when I get back. Okay, so my next job is to go through some of these quick releases and pair them up and get rid of the ones that aren't great. So like the ones that have gone rusty, the ones that are a bit tight. So that's my next task. So that's filming done for today, guys, because it's cold and I've got boring stuff to do as usual. So thank you so much for watching. Big favour to ask, would you please share this video with other like-minded people, and if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you've subscribed and not hit the notification bell, please hit the notification bell. We're trying to we're trying to up the number of videos that we make per week, and it'd be lovely if more and more people saw them. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget, videos every day at 7 PM. Thanks for watching. Bye.